In this video, I'll tell you how you can skip Microsoft account sign-in during Windows 11 setup. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. When you reach the setup screen where Windows asks you to sign in, press Shift plus F10. If you are using a laptop, you may need to press Shift plus Fn plus F10 instead. This will open the terminal. In the terminal, type in cpa.cpl and press Enter. Now disable all internet connections, so turn off both Ethernet and Wi-Fi if they are active. After that, go back to the terminal and type /bypassrow, then press Enter. Your computer should restart. After the restart, Windows Setup should show an option that lets you continue without a Microsoft account. Choose Continue with limited setup and finish the configuration with a local account. Once everything is done, you can turn your internet back on. To do that, search for ncpa.cpl in Windows and enable the connections you disabled earlier. That's the whole method. If you just want a clean local setup without signing into Microsoft during installation, this is the path you need, and after setup you can still enable internet normally. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.